The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is Zobu Zobu.
Nzuko Ndibo South Africa, in collaboration with United Nations of Africa Association, USA Incorporated, celebrate Igbo Heritage Day. Onyagala 1 year 2025, featuring, amongst others, Ugumba Excellence Award.
And the winner for this award is Chief
And United Nations of Africa Association, first outing in Southern Africa. Venue, Tshwane Kova Park, 11th Avenue, Gezina, Pretoria, South Africa. Day 25th of October 2025, time 12 noon. Host of the day, Honorable Emmanuel Echezona Koli, President General, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Mayor, Oda Gota Brothers, South Africa. Managing Director, Allied Bond Investment Pty Limited. Chief Brown Abachiogo, Uduakomiri Ndibo, Vice President, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Chairman, Imo State Indigenous, Pretoria. CEO, Rich Neji Pty Limited, Community Leader and Philanthropist. Also, Mr. Augustine Onwumer, Secretary General, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. It's important to recognize High Chief Felix Chuks Okoye, Eze Eziwanne Ohamadiske, South Africa. Life Patron, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Also, most importantly, Chief Dr. Ben Okoye, Ugumba Ndibo, South Africa. African foremost black neurosurgeon in South Africa. Chairman, Ugumba Foundation. Sponsor, Ugumba Excellence Award. Grand Patron, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Notable in the list, Nze Professor Francis Omonwu, renowned Professor of Agriculture and Natural Resource Economics. Seasoned author, Director, Research and Development Consulting, Victoria. Ozo Udezulibo, Noba, Anambra State. Grandparent, Nzuko Ndibo, Victoria. Chief Benson Chinedu Mwogugu, Idi Akubo, Noba. Isinze Nzenozo, South Africa. Chairman of the occasion. Also an international guest on the list, His Regency High Chief Dr. Nwachukwu Anikwenze, President, Igbo World Assembly, Akadiofa Bag, Ozoenyi Ikedibo, and also His Royal Highness Igwe Ogilisibo, Royal Father of the Day. Notable in this list, Chief Ambassador Sir Sylvester Okoyoba Okafor, Founder, President General, United Nations Association of Africa, ONA, and United Nations Association of African Continent, ONA. Also notable in this list is Honorable Doris Ikeri Solarin, former President General, Nigerian Union South Africa, and member, Heritage Committee, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Also noted is Chief Paul Agim Ochiriozo, Petron, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. It's my joy to include Ambassador Mrs. Onyeka Javibo Ojibo, PhD, Chief Financial Secretary, ONA, Co-Director, ONA, South Africa. Also have the pleasure to recognize Mazi Paul Onyekwe, Petron, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Chairman PHN. Also, it is my pleasure to recognize Reverend Dr. Harold Anago, Head of the Pastoral Care, Counseling and Staff Welfare, Chief Biko Academic Hospital, and Tshwane, Member Heritage Committee. Also notable, Ambassador Princess Gifty Juliet Okafor, Medical Chief Director, Community Health Speaker, UNA, South African Event. Honorable Ude Godwin Chuks, Committee Member and the Financial Secretary, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Notable is also Chief Onyeka Chiezie Obubedike West. Mazi Chimezie Onyejiwa, President Emeritus, Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa. Chairman, Planning Committee, Igbo Heritage Festival, October 2025, and co-host. CEO, Asaga Trading and Invest Limited, Chief Sunday Nnaman, Omonanwezua Ilo Anasia, MC Saga, Miriamwilo, Co-Director of Program, Igbo Heritage Day. 24th anniversary of Nzuko Ndibo, South Africa is an occasion you cannot afford to miss. Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezu onu.
Afambo Emmanuel Echezon Okoli, Mayor, abum the President General Obaka Nzukọ Ndị Igbo South Africa. Ihe niile ya emecha tata n'ụwa mmọnwụ ya agba, ụmụaka ya asụ Igbo, ụmụaka ya agba egwu, ndị ọhaneze Women Wing ya agba egwu. Ihe niile Igbo ji biri na South Africa na ebe a today.
My name is Miraculous Anagu. I am a proud Igbo lady from Nigeria. I'm from Enugu State, and I'm happy to be here celebrating the Igbo culture. I'm so happy because Igbo is a very diverse culture, and it has different food, different heritages, and I'm a proud Igbo lady. Thank you.
N'aka nne m bụ ọnwa gburugburu ọnwa Nsirimo with nwunye and my humble self and my lolo and our president. Yes. Dalo. My name is Chief Ambassador Sir Sylvester Okioba Okafor, the founder and President General of United Nations Association of Africa, United States Incorporation. And this organization is about the SDG goals of the United Nations 2030, the vision. We are here in South Africa because we have been collaborated. We are collaborating with Nzukọ Ndị Igbo in South Africa to do the Onyaga na Nwanne Ya, the festival in South Africa 2025. And knowing fully well what the Onyaga na Nwanne Ya means, it is not just an idiom. Onyaga na Nwanne Ya is one of the things that we have in United Nations Sustainable Goals. Nobody is supposed to be left behind in anything that we are doing. And as such, we are here to introduce, celebrate with Nzukọ Ndị Igbo in South Africa, and to be able to tell the people. We are also here with the medical team, which we are going to help to educate people in this place. Those are the things that we have come to do. I myself am all the way from United States of America, and I am the President General, like I told you, and the founder of this UNAA. That's exactly what we have come here to do, and I hope everything will go on very well.
Hi everyone, my name is Ambassador Gifty Juliet Okafor. We are here in South Africa to celebrate with our brothers and sisters, and also to let everybody know what UNAA is for. We are excited to be here. We came here even with our medical team, and we are here to make sure that everybody gets access to a health talk and some free health screening as well. So my father being the president, he said everything, and we hope that everybody would partake in this event and make it a successful one. Thank you very much.
Okay, I am Ambassador Lois Ogweri. I am the National Assistant Secretary of the United Nations Association of Africa and Executive Director, Country Director, Nigeria. We came here for the celebration of Nzukọ Ndị Igbo, which signifies Onyaga na Nwanne Ya, and in commemoration with the 80th UN anniversary, which they are celebrating today. So we have come here to support a meaningful community project which the Onyaga na Nwanne Ya will bring to the community. So we have come to celebrate with them and to ensure that no one is left behind. So we believe that our coming today, we synergize, we bring peace, unity, prosperity, and progress. Thank you.
microphone. Testing the microphone. Egypt.
Please join me in bringing to the podium Dr. Harold Anagu, Head of Pastoral Care and Counseling, Steve Biko Memorial Hospital, to say a short prayer. Thank you kindly.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Our God is good, and his mercies endureth forever. Amen. What a glorious day. What a beautiful day. What a season. And a time that in Igbo will be celebrating their heritage. What a great honor that God have counted us worthy to be among them that have chosen, even in the midst of other people that are still coming. It's a great honor, but I have in our midst my leader, who will be leading us in the prayer. Is the President General of Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, South Africa, the National President General. I will have the great privilege to have him to pray for us as we start in the person of Apostle Dr. George Martin Aleke. May we clap unto God as we welcome him.
Eternal King of Glory, we thank you for counting us worthy as Igbo people in South Africa to gather for such a wonderful time like this. You are a generational God, a God that counts on heritage, generation unto generation. Thank you for giving us the grace to mark who we are, the Igbos. Thank you for the grace to raise up men and women in our midst with the capacity to sustain this very event. Thank you for grace given unto us that we may come from all walks of life to celebrate such a day like this. Father, we ask you that you may be the Alpha concerning this occasion and be the Omega. And we ask that whatsoever will be happening in this place, may you alone be honored. At the end of it all, Lord, you will keep sustain us until the years to come, that this will never come to an end, but shall go from glory unto glory. For we give you all the praise. In Jesus' mighty name.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to seize the opportunity to bring the chairman of this occasion to the hype table in the person of Chief Benson Chinedu, Chief and Mrs. Benson Chinedu Nwogugu, Idi Akubuo Noba, Isinze Nzenozo, South Africa. The Nzenozo of South Africa has brought an embellishment that we've never had in the traditional settings of our community in South Africa. To introduce the life patron of Nzukondibo Pretoria, the people who sat together and decided that this organization should be formed. And in that same vein, I'm privileged to have a brother of mine, Chief Chuks Okoye, Ezo Hamadike, Ezeziwane Ibuku, Secretary General, Nzenozo, South Africa, Chairman, Board of Trustee, Nigerian Citizens Association, South Africa. Thank you, Mr. DJ. You are well disciplined, and I love that. Thank you. It is also my pleasure to introduce the Vice President of Nzukondibo, South Africa, Chief Brown Abachiogo, Uduakomiri, Chairman Imo Indigens, Pretoria. Uduakomiri, receive my greetings. Thank you. Please, Ezo Hamadike, your presence in the high table is a matter of protocol that should be adhered to. May you please move with Mrs. Chuks Okoye to the high table. Thank you kindly. I'm calling upon Apostle George Martins Alaike, the National President, PFM South Africa, to come and take his place at the high table. Apostle George Martins, thank you kindly. It is my pleasure to welcome United Nations Associations of Africa, USA Incorporated, who came to visit us from numerous places, from Ghana, Nigeria, United States, and please allow me to recognize the presence of His Eminence, Chief Ambassador Sir Sylvester Oke Oba Okafor, Founder, President General, ONA USA Incorporated. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you for your vision. Thank you for your initiatives. We are deeply delighted. Thank you. Thank you kindly. Thank you. Ambassador Princess Juliet Gifty Okafor, Chief Medical Director, ONA, Chief Special Advisor to the President General, fantastic. Executive Country Director, Ghana. Thank you very much, Juliet. Thank you. Thank you. Where? Wow. Also in the same vein, I want to recognize the presence of Ambassador Lolo Eleje Ngozi Dora. Ambassador, thank you so much. I love the chieftaincy outlook, and we need to have a queen very soon in Nigeria. Also in the same vein, I want to recognize His Lordship Bishop Ejike Anyebuna in our midst. My Lord the Bishop, receive my greetings. Thank you kindly. Also in that vein, Madam June Mabida, receive my greetings. And my kind apologies for the writings was a bit rugged. Thank you kindly. Also, Ambassador Okoro Olivia Tochi, UNA Director for Ebony State, receive my greetings. May you stand up for recognition. Wow, I love the beats. The designer did a fantastic job. Thank you kindly. Thank you. Also going down the list, Ambassador Eze Odenyi Blessing Chinyelugo. Wow, lovely, lovely. Thank you kindly. Thank you. Also, Ambassador Ibe Chibuzo Jeffet, receive my greetings and recognition. Thank you so much. Thank you. Beautiful. Fantastic. I want to also recognize Ambassador Lois Ogueri, Assistant National Secretary, ONA Executive Country Director, Nigeria. May you stand up for recognition. Wow, you chose very beautiful girls in the committee. You made no mistake. Also, finally, receive my greetings, Madam Adelina Noteha. This is right. Fantastic. Incredible. Incredibly fantastic. That done, ladies and Professor and Mrs. Towobola, Ezinendibo, na South Africa, receive my greetings and may you please proceed to the high table. Professor and Chief Mrs. Towobola, Ezine Ndibo, receive my greetings. Biko Kwalne I have just been informed that His Regency, High Chief Dr. Nwachukwu Anikwenze, our Chief Speaker and Father of the our Chief Speaker for this occasion, who is the President of Igbo World Assembly, Akaji Bagana, Ozuenyi Ikedi Nibo. They are just in the door, they are coming in now. I will still tell you a story as we receive them. Also, the chief sponsor of this occasion, Chief Dr. Ben Okoli, Ugwumba Ndibo, South Africa, is also in that lineage coming in. I was also advised that Professor Francis Nwangu Udezulibo is also in that line. Please, ushers, may you bring them in straight to the high table so that we can get cracking. Heritage Igbo Anniversary Ugwumba Excellence Award, South Africa. Thank you. Fantastic. Incredible. Zoeva, Nanso Wadro. Zoeva. Oh, yeah. In that list is also Chief Dr. Ben Okoli, Ugwumba Ndibo, the chief sponsor of Heritage and Ugwumba Excellent Awards, Nzukondibo, South Africa. Ugwumba Ndibo, receive my greetings. Also, Chief Professor Francis Nwangu Udezulibo, receive my greetings. Wonderful. Also, the former president of Ohaneze Ndibo, Chief Amadi O. Amadi, receive my greetings and welcome. Fantastic. Mrs. Okoli also receive my greetings. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okalamado Okalamuo. Chideke. Please, ladies and gentlemen, thank you kindly. May you get seated. Thank you. Lovely. Thank you for the love you have shown to our leadership. Thank you. Wonderful. Beautiful. Please, may you bring the cola nut to the high table so that we can get cracking, ladies and gentlemen. I'm also receiving in our midst the Ohaneze Women Wing, led by their president, Dr. Ifi Obi Emedo, American Umwabala. Please bring your style, bring the beauty, bring the color. Please lead them, wow. Please receive Ohaneze Women League in our midst. Even the former president of Nigerian Women League also in our midst. Please, Ogene people, I will give you time to perform. Please. Otali Jesus, Bikono, I will give you enough time. Ogene people. May somebody go to them, yeah. Please take the Women League to where they are supposed to sit. Bikono. You there? Bikono anyway. Oh, Pulo.
Ugwumba Ndibo.
Biko ndị be anyị ọjị abịagonu. Biko anyị ebulu ọjị a ka anyị mee omenala ka esi eme ihe. Biko Amechi, biko burugodo ọjị a ka ibujela our life patron Eze Ọhamadike ka o mee ihe dị n'ọjị a. Thank you.
Cha Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. nzukọ ndị Igbo kwezuo unu biko ọjị abịago nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla amụsili ike ọjị pụta ọ bụrụ na ịkwụ ọtọ ịnọrọ ana ọ bụrụ na ihe ha nọ nwa ana ikwụla ebe ịkwụ gee ntị ka anyị mee ife ọjị maka ọ na-abụ ndị ụka Holy Communion pụta onye ọbụla akwanyela onwe ugwu ọjị pụta nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla akwanyela onwe ugwu ị na-ekwu okwu imechi ọnụ ka ịnụ ife a na-eme na ife a bụ mkpụrụ osisi dị ngọzi n'ala Igbo cha nzukọ ndị Igbo kwezuo unu anyị ga-ebulu ọjị a bunye the chairman of the occasion with your hands on the collar na nkwado unu ncha niile ndị patron nzukọ ndị Igbo. Okay, biko ozi na-enweta bụ na Advocate Smart Nwobi, the President Nigerian Union, na-eweta ọjị na-amawakwu ya akwa iji wee support ndị nzukọ ndị Igbo na ife a na-eme. Anyị na-anabata ya. And Dr. Ben, neurosurgeon, Ugwumba ndị Igbo, daalụ ọsị gaba n'iru. Yes, o nwere onye ọzọ chọrọ ịsụ ọjị n'omenala ka asụ ọjị ka anyị buruzie ọjị bunye chairman. Yes, ọ ka o si eme. Ezinne ndị Igbo, Mama Igbo, Prọfesọ Chief Towobola solo ndị Igbo ọjị. Yes, President Nikasa nọ ebe a, nwoke ọma, ọ sị na ife onye ọbụla ji, nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla ji bụ ọjị ya, na ọ bụgodo na ọjị osisi adịrọ, na ọjị pepa dị, adọ nke ahụ na-akacha mkpa, ọjị pepa. O meghe na dọla, ọ magbuo onwe ha ncha abụọ ọjị. Ka anyị buruzie ọjị bunye the chairman of the occasion. Daalụ.
Daalụ ezi nwanne. Ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ. Onye uwe abagana. Nnọọ rinne. Prof. Ana m ekene ụnụ n'afọ na ụnụ enwe n'ọjị. N'ọbụ ụnụ ka anyị nọ. Doc. Daalụ rinne. Nzukọ ndị Igbo ekene m ụnụ. Nze na ọzọ ekene m ụnụ. Igbo ekene ezuo m ụnụ. Ụnụ fụ na ndị nzukọ ndị Igbo enwe n'ọjị. Fam ife kwesịrị ime. O gosi na ife anyị bịa bụ mmemme ndị Igbo. Ịfụrụ anụ ọjị ma na ndị anabata ọnụ ọfụma. So biko anyị eje na ije ọjị a. Eze nwanne biko ma like ka ije ije ọjị a ka esi eji biko nyere anyị aka wee jee ije ọjị. Emesizie ọkala mmadụ ọkala mma ọwala ya ọjị maka na nnukwu mmadụ dịka nnukwu alụsị. Ana ya nwa abụrụ sọ mmadụ na mmadụ ka ọ bụbụrụ mmụọ. Daalụ nne biko nyere anyị aka mmewepụ ọjị then nyezela anyị aka wee jee ije ọjị a.
Thank you very much. Nze Akubo ọgaranya n'ọba isi nze South Africa. Daalụ for your ntụziaka. Nwafọ Igbo ọbụla mana ọjị bụ nnukwu alụsị na-akwanyere ya ugwu. Biko si nweenu ndidi ka anyị mee ife dị n'ọjị. Onowu Abagana, ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ, on your lordship sir. Daalụ sir. Daalụ sir. Daalụ sir. N'etu ọha na eze ndị Igbo si eme ọjị na South Africa, anyị ga-eke ọjị by states ka ndị Abịa nọ ebe a bịa wepụ ọjị n'afa ndị Abịa. Anambra sotie ka anyị mee na ọsịsọ. Yes, aha ka esi eme. Ọ president ndị Abịa na Pretoria ọ na-ewere ọjị na-egosi patron ndị Abịa ọnwa gburugburu. Anambra ewepụgo ọjị. Emmanuel Okoli na-ewepụ ọjị ndị Anambra. Enugu ka ọ na-abịa. Imo steeti bịa were ọjị. Former president ọhaneze ndị Igbo nwoke ọma, my own brother, biko ada ekwukpo ọjị okpu mana from ka the chairman of president of Doctors Forum ka ọ bata Rivers and Delta biko ka ha wepụ ọjị n'afa ndị nze na ọzọ eze ọkaigbo na Ogidi eze ọkaigbo deputy daalụ then our special guest from UN biko ka unu bịa were ọjị olu onye oluchie ndị ọha na eze biko bịanụ were ọjị then UN daalụ Igbo Union from the President General Igbo Union ebe a also biko ka ọ bịa wepụ ọjị for Igbo Union. Daalụ. Yes. Biko former president nzukọ ndị Igbo daalụ former president. Biko ana m enweta information na People's Club International nọkwa ebe a na ha nwere oche biko ka ha bịa were ọjị. Then onwe any information ndị Igbo nọ ebe a feel na anyị kwesịrị inye ha ọjị ha biko gbagote bịa were ọjị ka ibulu ọjị a bunyelu prọfesọ Efe Onweọnwụ ka o wepụ ọjị n'olulie ọ ya bụ nna anyị na ebe a biko ọjị dị yes prof ewepụgo ọjị daalụ biko the same vein butelu Ugwumba Dr. Ben Okoli ka o wepụ ọjị. Then achọrọ m ka ibunye di Mama Igbo die ka ihe ebunye Ogbuagụ ndị Igbo ịma na some people amarọ Onowu Abagana ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ daalụ bụ eze ka ọwa
ọ bụrụ alụsị niile ka a na-ama akwa ọcha ndị South ekene m unu ndị nzukọ Igbo ekene m unu na-eme ọfụma etu nsi wee fụ unu nọkọrọ ọnụ nara anụso onwe unu ọgụ ndị Igbo steeti dị iche iche unu na-eme ka ọfụma ife nna anyị facho na akara abụ ka eji egbufe kara aka akara abụ ka eji egbufe dị nsọ ife nna m fa mee ka m na-eme onye mee ife nna ya mee alụ a na-asị Igbo kwenu rienu ṅụanụ ụmụ unu zụọnụ ọkụ agụnye nwata n'aka melie onye wetara ọjị weta ndụ onye ọkụ nyụnara n'aka menyụrụ ọkụ aga anyụnara unu n'aka ọganiru ka anyị nọ na ya egbe ebele ugo bele onye si biebala asị nkukwa ya ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ iyi ata na azụ na anwụna ndụ ọfịa ndụ anụmanụ ọfịa akpọ na anụmanụ anwụna Chukwu bụrụ anyị ụzọ Chukwu ekpere anyị azụ Chukwu nye anyị ife anyị ga-eri ife ga-eri anyị nya gbafuo ọkwa ha masị nke Igbo ka anyị na-aka na ife Chukwu nyere anyị ka anyị ji efie unu mara anyị ma bụ ndị izi Chukwu ke ọ n'aka anyị ka ndị ọcha na ndị China si wepụta Chukwu nyere anyị efe ịtọ ka anyị wee na-efie maka ndị na-aghọtasịrị omenala Chukwu nyere anyị ọjị ya bụ Holy Communion Chukwu nyere anyị ose ọjị ya bụ ife eji acha ekwensu na ajọ mmụọ ọkụ den nzu bụ mficha unu na-anụ oyibo bụ cleansing ndị ụka na-eme holy water
nke a bụ nke anyị Chukwu nyere anyị oge enwe Adam, oge enwe Abraham, Adam, Eve, ndị a niile, Noah. Oge a ka anyị bịa n'ụwa, anyị nwa bụ ụzọ, anyị nwa bụ isi, anyị nwa bụ ndị Chukwu rọpụtara arọpụta, ndị dị nsọ. Hallelujah. Ife anyị na-ayọ Chukwu bụ ogologo ndụ na arụ isi ike, na akụnụ gara ka orimiri Niger, akụnụ ga-epuru na South Africa, unu na-akpata ego igwe, unu ga-akpala ego igwe na-aga n'iru. Na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ gọzie mmadụ niile nọ ebe a, ndị nzukọ Igbo na ndị Igbo, otu ndị Igbo niile nọ ebe a, ka Chukwu gọzichaa afa, ka Chukwu nye onye ọbụla ife ọ na-eme, ka ife ị na-eme na-aga ọfụma. O na-ayọ Chukwu maka oge nwa ka anyị na-efe, ka ị bịa nyere onye ọbụla aka, ndị okokporo n'ebe anyị nwere di, okokporo ndị nwere nwunye ka ba nweta nwunye dị mma, ndị nwunye ndị nwere di ka ba chọta di. O anyị na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ gọzie di na nwunye, ka fa nọkọ ọfụma, ka a ghara inwe ntisa na mgbasa, ka a ghara na-eje kọt na-esewa. Na-ayọ Chukwu ka onye anyị ụmụ, maka anyị chọrọ ụmụ. Ndị ugwu Hausa na-amụ 20, anyị nwa na-amụ 1 or 2, anyị ga-nachi ya mụwa ụmụ, ka a ghara n'ala anyị ana anyị. Anyị na-ayọ Chukwu ya bịa nyere anyị aka, ụkwụ anyị ji bịa ka anyị ga-eji na ụkwụ ama kpọrọ anyị. Ọchụ ọkụkọ nwere ọkụkọ nwe ọsọ, mgbakara ga ma ọzọ ga-ana. Anyị na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ bịa gọzie ebe a, gọzie ọjị a n'afọ nna nna anyị ndị Igbo niile, steeti Igbo niile, maka nna nna anyị fa bụ sent, onye mere ife maka a na-akpọ sent. Ọ ndị ọcha na-akọpịla anya ife na-akọwala unu. Nna nna anyị fa mere ọfụma, ọfa bụ sent anakwenze bịa ta ọjị. Anyị na-asị were afa Eke, Oye, Afọ na Nkwọ wee gọzie ọjị a, wee gọzie tọbụ ọjị a n'afa Chukwu Abịama. Chukwu Abịama bụ Chukwu Abraham. Nzu dị ebe ahụ, ịma omenala anyị ga-aka ya, udo na ọganiru. A ga-ebugharị ọjị a, ụmụ nwoke ọbụla ga-aka nzu a, ụmụ nwaanyị ga-ete nwe ka pawuda. Ọ ngozi ka ọ bụ, ọ ife nna nna anyị fa na-eme ka anyị na-eme. Ọ ga-adịlụ unu mma, ọ ga-adịlụ unu mma, ọ ga-adịlụ unu mma.
Biko tuonye igwe igwe.
Biko unu mana omenala ka anyị na-eme. President nzukọ ndị Igbo na ndị executive niile, biko unu mana ebupụta ọjị eweta ịna nni, biko bịanụ ka unu na nni. Biko ka na ndị nze niile nọ ebe a nni, biko nụ. Yeah. Beba, yes. The leaders of nzukọ ndị Igbo, led by the President Emmanuel Echezona Okoli, led by Emmanuel Echezona Okoli, and the Vice President Brown Sugar, nwoke ọma, a na-abịa ka ha mee omenala, ka na ndị nze niile nni, maka ihe Igbo ka anyị na-eme. So biko ngwanụ anyị na-afụ onye na-eme, a na-afụ ngozi etu esi wee na-enye ngozi. nwanne m keke ime daalụ daalụ ịma daalụ daalụ nọ daalụ nọ ogene jisie n'ike ịma daalụ biko bụrụzie bujere eze ọkaigbo ka ọ gọzie unu nye ife
nzukọ ndị Igbo kwenu, nzukọ Igbo niile kwezuonu, nze na ọzọ kwenu, nze na ọzọ kwezuonu. Unu na-anyụ na afọ na ewere ife eji ekwe ịgba kwee ịgba etinye ya ọra ọnụ. Nzukọ ndị Igbo anabata ọjị unu chee ebe onye si wepụta mmaji pụrụ mmaji. Nzukọ ndị Igbo ga na-aga n'iru wee luo mgbe ọjị wee luo mgbe ọbụla unu chọọ ọ ga-agagide n'iru. And otu abịa anyị akwadi ọ na anyị nwere ike. Daalụ. Thank you very much.
It is my pleasure to call on the President General of Nzukọ Ndị Igbo, South Africa, Honorable Emmanuel Okoli, to address this forum. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I will ask you to listen to the President.
The Royal Father of the Day, His Regency, Chief Dr. Nwachukwu Anikwenze, the Chairman of the Day, Chief Benson Chinedu Nwogugu, Idi Akubuenoba, onye isi nze na ọzọ South Africa, the President of NICASA, Nigerian Citizens Association, Reverend Frank Onyekwel, the President of Nigerian Union, Advocate Smart Mobi, our esteemed life patron, grand patrons, matrons, patrons of Nzukọ Ndị Igbo, distinguished guests from the United Nations Association of African Continent, led by Chief Sylvester Okafor, our elders, Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, our prestigious Nze na ọzọ Ndị Igbo, South Africa, our vibrant Igbo youth, my esteemed executive and the members of Nzukọ Ndị Igbo, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Kedunu, Ndewonu, I, Emmanuel Okoli, the President General of Nzukọ Ndị Igbo, South Africa, stand before you this evening with heart full of joy as we gather once again to celebrate our Heritage Day, a day when the spirit of Igwebike shines ever so brightly. This year's theme, Onyaga na Nwanne ya, let no one be left behind. It's not just a phrase, it is a powerful call to unity, compassion, and revival. It reminds us that the greatness of Ndị Igbo has always been found in our togetherness, in lifting one another, in standing for one another, and in ensuring that every brother and sister finds a place at the table of progress. Tonight is even more special because we are celebrating in collaboration with the United Nations Association of African Continent as they make their first official outing in Southern Africa. We say to them, none, welcome to South Africa. May this partnership continue to grow and strengthen our shared vision of unity and African excellence. We also celebrate the Ugwumba Excellence Award, a moment where we shine a light on those who embody hard work, resilience, and leadership, values that defines us as a people. Our deepest appreciation to Dr. Ben Okoli, Ugwumba Ndị Igbo, na South Africa, for using our platform of Nzukọ Ndị Igbo to honor excellence and inspire greatness in our community. Doctor, we thank you. This year also marks our 24th anniversary as an organization, 24 years. 24 years of preserving culture, fostering unity, and empowering our people. And as we reflect on our journey, we have chosen this theme, Onyaga na Nwanne, as a beacon to revive the Nzuko Ndị Igbo revolving loan scheme. This scheme once served as a lifeline for many youth and young Igbos who could not access traditional South African banks due to collateral and documentation challenges. It gave wings to dream that might otherwise have been buried. And tonight we call on everyone here, our friends, our supporters, our community, to give generously when the time comes. Every contribution, no matter how small, will help us rebuild that very bridge of hope. As we rejoice tonight, let us also take a moment to celebrate our Ndi Ogo and Ndi Enyi and all who support the Igbo cause. I thank in a special way the organizing committee led by Mazi Bonaventure Onyejuwa, Mazi Nandotoge, Dalo Norinne Chukwu Goziono. My brothers and sisters, as we enjoy the music, the food, and the laughter, let us also remember this. We are not just celebrating culture. We are celebrating a legacy, a spirit that refuses to fade, a people whose strength lies in unity. Let us live here tonight, renewed in purpose, committed to lifting one another, and determination, and determined that in Nzuko Ndị Igbo, truly no one should be left behind. Dalo Norinne, Ekene Madinine, Kachineke Goziono. Long live United Nations Association of African Continent. Long live Nzuko Ndị Igbo Community Care. Long live Igbo Nation. I thank you.
Thank you kindly, Mr. President, for that beautiful. For those who do not know where we are in Tshwane City Hall.
Igbo ekene mono. Ndị Igbo ekene zuo mono. Nzuko Ndị Igbo, Doc, Ugwumba na-ekene yi. No, mgbe ọbụla unu kpara ya oku, a na-abịa n'onyele unu. Ana m ekene ndị Nzuko Ndị Igbo niile. Na-ekene Prof. My father, ọ nna m ka ọ bụ. N'onye ọba ka ọ bụ nna m. Ana m ekenekwa mma ya bụ ọ na-agara na ya na-esolu. Chineke enyekwu na arụ ike. Maka onye a gwara adụ n'ụlọ to fire believe. Biko, ana m asị na onye ọbụla alụwa arụ ya ụka wee bịa nyonyelu ndị Nzuko Ndị Igbo. Ana m asị na okwu unu ji bịa nke unu eji wee na aka ya mma. Chineke ya agọzi ndị nze na ọzọ mgbe ọbụla a gbara n'ofu fa na-abịa. Eze ọka Igbo, ana m ekene unu na-ekene ndị nze ọzọ niile n'ebe a. Ikenga Igbo, daalụ rinne. Biko nụ, ife ndị Nzuko Ndị Igbo na-eme taa bụ ife dị mkpa. All about Igbo heritage. IB Igbo bụ a special species. O nwere ka anyị si eme ife. Ebe ọ bụla anyị nọ, anyị na-agbakọ etu a na-try preserve our culture. Ọ bụrụ obere ife. Distance are our barrier when it comes to our culture. Anyị na-try ime ife omenala anyị ebe ọ bụla anyị nọ. Ana m asị na tata bụrụ ụbọchị eji ekwu ogologo okwu. Ana m ekele Nzuko Ndị Igbo for ide eme ife afa na-eme mgbe ọbụla. Ịgba arọ 24 years, ọdọkwa izi. Most unions na-etisa after 2-3 years. Mana nke a fa emego 24 years. O gosi na fa ma ife na-eme. Ama sị na Chineke ya agbafe ume na fa ya enwe more years to come. Anyị ga celebrate 50 years anniversary fa n'afọ Jesus Christ bụ onye nwe anyị. Ama sị ka Chineke debe ndị Igbo onye afọ taa ka afọ ya echi sị na Jesus Christ bụ onye nwe anyị. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to have a music interlude and a dancing display by the cultural Igbo youths in our presence here. Are they ready?
Hey! Hey! Happy Echo.
Also, Nivan,
Yeah. Please, ushers, take the president to his seat. Beautiful. Advocate Smart Nwobi, you're welcome. Receive my greetings. Receive my welcome. Biko Nundogene, thank you, thank you, thank you. We are proud of all of you. Thank you for behaving very well, and we appreciate you. President of Nigerian Union South Africa, receive our greetings. Welcome, thank you kindly. You know, ushers, give him a place to sit down and recalibrate. We have a lot on our agenda this evening.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to bring before you Dr. Nwachukwu Anikwenze, Igwe, the regent of Abagana, Okalamado, Okalammo. His Regency, receive my greetings. Thank you kindly.
Ndị nzukọ Igbo, Pretoria, ekene m unu. None. Ndị nze na ọzọ, ekene m unu. None. Ndị niile echile echichi, ma ndị patron, ma ndị executive, ana m ekene unu maka ezigbote ọlụ na-alụ. Ma team unu bụ onye agha na nwanne ya, ọbịaka n'oge dị mma. Ife our goal, as you know, when they never sue you ever, can get a mix here, mix, about where I'm different. Maki Bokana, but that's no when they never sue ever. So, the team of the convention is Onyaga and 1 year. Don't leave your brothers and sisters behind. Our mission remains actualization of Igbo agenda and youth empowerment. We Igbo World Assembly, which I'm the chairman, worldwide chairman, we work closely with Ohaneze Ndi Igbo in Nigeria, our leader, John Mbata. Our motto is Njikoka, Naiba is cooperation and synergy. As leader of Ndibo in diaspora, we are resolute at making peace and also combating our adversaries of Ndibo, wherever they are. Our goal is Ndibo must speak with one voice and accord. Ndibo geji ofu ọnụ wee na-ekwu. Ọnya bụ isiokwu anyị. Now, what we are known for as Ndibo is excellence. Meritocracy is what we believe in, and excellence. We don't believe in mediocre. That's why wherever we are in the world, we take the first position. In America, Igbo boys and girls are at the top of the game. In football, in sports and medicine and science. In business, the same. All over the world, Igbo business people are thriving. We are the only one that can compete with Indiocha, Mondi, Asia. We are the only one. We are in China doing business. We are in Vietnam. We are in Malaysia. We are in Singapore. We are in Indonesia. We are in Vietnam. We are in the whole of African countries. All along the West Coast, South. Look at what you're doing here. And East Coast, we are here. We are number one. We are not number two. Ndibo are one of the most welcoming people in the world. That is what we do. When you see Oji, kola nut, that is a symbol of welcome. And welcome for our guest. One of the things we are known for, one the number, means we are not stranger. We are not stranger to any foreign land. Wherever we go, we settle down. We work with the indigenes of the place. One the number, that's what we are known for. Ojembe Enwilo, this is what is inculcated in us. One the number. Okay. Means wherever we go, wherever travelers, visitors come to us, we are not their enemies. We don't take them as enemies, and they also don't take us. These are core values of Igbo people. We should start thinking about take-home philosophy. We've been investing everywhere, but you have to take some of the investment back home so that our young people will be working. You need to invest at home as well as invest in South Africa. Igbo core philosophies should be inculcated in our children. Igwe buike, onyaga na nwanne ya, egbe belu go belu. That's what we were taught as little people. Our Igbo, wherever we are, we carry our spirituality, mysticism, civilization, philosophy, trade, agriculture, and ironworks. Wherever you go, you see Ndi Igbo. Wherever you go and you don't see Ndi Igbo, you need to run away, run for your life, because we know we can smell where opportunity is and exists. Igbo leadership, all the leaders here, you're doing well, but some things you need to remember. Leaders are supposed to be the men and women elected to serve the group that elected them and speak on their behalf. Igbo leaders' words and action must be at all times fully discussed and agreed upon. Security. Security in Nigeria is a problem, but we have to fight. We start from our grassroots. We have to have vigilante in every town, every village, local government and state. Don't depend on the government to come and save you. Don't depend on police from Abuja to come and save you. You see how they're massacring them in Benue, Plateau, they kill hundreds. But in my place, Abagana, we have over 100 cameras, CCTV. We have motorcycles. Our women donate 20 motorcycles, Siennas, Jeeps to our security. They pay them 40,000 a month, 150 people. You are the one that can do it. Don't be depending on some kind of government. That's why they are massacring them in Middle Belt, because they are not contributing. One man, donate this, donate that. That's what we have to do. We cannot lose one life to anybody. Anybody who thinks they can come to our place and kill our women, rape them, eat their crop, is playing with fire. We will fight back. Whatever those people are coming with, whether it's AK-47 or AK-49, we have to match them. If the Nigerian government allows them to carry it everywhere and kill people, we can do the same also. Oh, if it's not good. So, brief history on our genealogy, because it might be we are God-chosen people. We are there in the Bible. When you have Adams, Noah, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, we're there. We're in the Bible. Genesis 46, verse 16, you will see Gad, son of Jacob, Eri, son of Gad, 2 brothers, 3 brothers, Arod, Arod, and Eri. So the 12 sons of Jacob, we are part of that. We are in the Bible. We are God-chosen people. But I'm telling you, I'm not playing. This is facts. We come down to Eri to give you a little bit detail, because you need to understand who you are. Because you don't know who you are, that's why bad things are happening to you. Eri had 6 children. Aguleri, Ata went to Igala. Igala is Igbo. Their second son of Eri is Ata. He crossed Anambra River and he's in Igala land. I'll be visiting him in December. You know, those are Igbo people. You have to know. That is 40% of Kogi State is Igbo. And Oba is the 3rd son. Oba crossed to Benin and then Ife. In Ondo, Ife, Igbo culture and land is over there. If you dig in, you will see many of the towns are Igbo towns. But Oduduwa came and overran them. So they assimilated, and they're speaking Yoruba. But a lot of Yoruba land, they know it. Oba of Ife says it. I'm telling you why. The 4th son, Igbo, Hebrew, Igbo. Those ones went to Igbo Etiti, Ada, Igbo Adabwe, Igbo Eze, Nsukka area. Nri is the 5th son of Eri, our forefathers. And the Nri people are Bibias. They're really highly spiritual. They were gifted with spirituality. That's why they are known a lot. Adambo, the daughter, had a lot of children. You know Obunike in Anambra?
You know Okozu, Umbueri, Nando, Umunya. From the sixth daughter. These are existing things. I'm not telling you tales. This is our real history. Arodi, Bondi Arochukwu. Arochukwu are very powerful people, businessmen, traders, worldwide. They have worldwide presence. They are the one that originated, the Betet, Nembe, Ngwa, Abakaliki, Ogoni, Afibo, Aro, Ikota Bene, my Bibio, Maro Echie, Aro Ndizogo. These are all from Aro. And they are present in Caribbeans. They have Festival of Aro in Cuba. Areli, the third brother, that is Imo State. They have one of the highest number of graduates and professors in Igbo land. They are very sharp. They gave birth to Owerri, Umuahia, Diobu, Udiobu, Nyabo, Port Harcourt. They gave birth to Okigwe, Olu, Nkwere, Elele, Mbano, and this is our history in brief. I can give you a lecture on this for a long time. Remember that Igbo is indigenous to 14 states of Nigeria. In the Igbo, they are other than Igbo land. They are in Kogi, like I just told you, Igala. They are in Benue. 1/3 of Benue is Igbo. They have local government, Anabobi. Well, local government, Anabuju. Well, local government, Anabuachebe. In Benue State. You need to know who you are. In Akwa Ibom, we have Igbo, local government, Ndoki people. And then in Cross River, we have Igbo people in Cross River. We have Igbo people in Bayelsa. We have Igbo people in Edo State. Edo State, the Igbo Igbanke. You saw I was just there with the king about few weeks ago. They are coming back. Everybody is coming back and reclaiming their Igbo heritage. We are the strongest people in Nigeria. We're the largest tribe in Nigeria. We are the richest people in Africa, not just Nigeria. Continue what you're doing. Continue trying hard, being an entrepreneur, and helping your people back home. Dalono, Dalono. Thank you very much.
Igwe. This gentleman, now full grown, sponsors the Heritage Lecture and Ugumba Excellence Award, and this has been ongoing for several years. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to the podium Chief Dr. Ben Okoli, Ugumba Ndibo in South Africa, to address us.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha ya Igbo kwenu. Cha-cha-cha-cha Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwezwenu. Thank you, Master of Ceremony. Igwe, thank you so much for this lecture. Today typifies the type of collaboration we want in Igbo land. For the first time, we're having a transnational collaboration, having a collaboration of people from South Africa and those from the American continent coming together for one purpose. And that one purpose is Igbo. And the only winner in such a situation and on such an occasion is Igbo land. Thank you so much for your presence. I recognize everybody, the presence of everybody here, the chairman and executive of Nzuko Igbo, Isinze, the chairman of the occasion, all the patrons, my greetings to you. All the Igbo formations, my greetings to you. Professor Nwonwu, I mention you out specifically. You're a man we have always honored. And we honor you always, not because of your righteousness of yesterday or what you're going to do tomorrow, but because of the mantle you carry. Thank you for being who you are. And if tomorrow comes, we shall continue to honor you. There is a video I want you to watch here. Just 1 second clip of a video. Please, can you turn that screen for the population, for everybody to see?
One of the biggest problems why we have this case is because you brothers, you sell each other. You must stop selling each other. You are greedy for money to an extent that you call police on each other, you spy on each other, you do this on that. That's why we are having this case today in court. And I'm asking you, don't do that to each other. Don't fight amongst yourself. We are brothers here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope that a percentage of us heard that video. And probably this video has been trending in South Africa. And that voice was the voice of an attorney, a South African attorney speaking to Nigerians. There was an ancient population that has been well documented in one of the poetries and the songs of this ancient population that has said, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down, there we wept, when we remember Zion. There was something in the heart of the people who sang the song, that when we remember Zion, we are in exile, we are in diaspora, but when we remember Zion, something happens to our heart. I wish every Igbo man can say, every Igbo man in diaspora, whether it is in Ghana, in South Africa, or in the Americas, that when I remember Igbo land, something happens to my heart. Because if you love Zion, you will love the sons of Zion. If you love Igbo land, you will love the children of Igbos. And you will not want to hurt the children of the Igbos. Because the sons of Zion need the sons for Zion. And that is what is called collaboration. Onyagal and Wanneya. And this is the foundation of Ugumba Award. In this edition of Ugumba Excellence Award 2025, I want us to look at some of the paradox that has been the foundation of Onyagal and Wanneya as a philosophy of Igbos. If we remember that historically the foundation of all ancient Igbo societies has always been on collaboration and collectiveness at all levels of society. And we see this in our town unions, in our villages, in our social clubs, in our age grades, and even in trade unions. And the output of this collaboration is obvious to everybody. Schools were built, electricity infrastructure were built, roads were constructed, civic centers, markets, and police stations were built. So these patterns of collaboration, which is Onyagal and Wanneya, Igwebuike, moved the society into modernity. Dr. Ezife, the former governor of Anambra State in 2023, has told us a lot that we need to know about the Igbo apprenticeship system, and it does not need any reputation. It was a system that was organic and progressive and resulted in a zero unemployment in Igbo land. But here is a paradox. What has happened to that Igbo apprenticeship system? In the beginning, our apprenticeship system held families together, but now the same system divides families. Yesterday, it was the blueprint for vertical and horizontal integration. Today, Iba Boy has become a swear word among the Igbos. The success was organic, and now the failure is also organic. That same Igbo philosophy of Onyagal and Nwanneya has finally been swallowed by another philosophy, Agwelohibeya Ogahebo. And I say to myself, what has happened to the Igbos? These two philosophies cannot stand together. Because if Onyagal and Nwanneya is the ancient philosophy upon which we should stand, then on what footing does Agwelohibe Ogahebo, where does it stand? The output and the product and the benefit for Onyagal and Nwanneya is undoubtedly has benefited us as individuals and as communities and as societies. Another duality in this concept of Onyagal and Nwanneya is the idea of Igbo. And somehow our Igwe has touched upon that. Our elders need to interrogate this Igbo further. And they need to tell us, how does this stand together vis-a-vis Onyagal and Nwanneya? Is Igbo an inclusive term, or is it a derogatory term? Is it subliminally discriminatory? Does it create a sectional Igbo supremacist assumption? Does it humiliate a part of Igbo land? Does it create an invisible wall that divides the Igbo societies? Does it create an Igbo land that is mainstream, an Igbo land that is marginal? Yet, Onyagal and Nwanneya is the foundation upon which we stand. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the explorers of the ancient world did not disappoint their land. They succeeded through collaboration. Today, in our generation, we are the explorers of our time. And Ugumba Foundation shall at all times stand at the forefront of Onyagal and Nwanneya. Ugumba Foundation shall, as God will, continue to collaborate with all the progressive forces of our people to build the human potential that tomorrow brings and tomorrow demands. I give special thanks to our brothers that have come all the way from America. Thank you for your sacrifices. Thank you for your thoughtfulness. Thank you that your agenda for this occasion has taken into consideration the Igbo principle of Onyagal and Nwanneya. Ugumba Foundation recognizes that. And Ugumba Foundation uses this opportunity to call further for this interaction and collaboration across countries, across the seas and across the nations. That all progressive forces of Igbo shall come together in order to develop further Igbo agenda. And at the same time, be aware that the enemy of a progressive Igbo agenda is both internal and external. And we have to be vigilant at all times. Lastly, but not the least, Mzukondibo, because Jidenu Kunuji. Thank you for your endless sacrifices. Thank you for your selfless sacrifices that exist among your leadership. Today, this event is a manifestation of that vision. You have broken the ceiling. Today, we see collaboration at its best. Thank you for walking the talk and not just talking the talk. Thank you for your unending commitment to the cause of the Igbos and for the agenda of the Igbos. To the organizing committee, I am aware of the uncountable hours and the sleepless nights that you have put into this to make it a success. To the Ugumba Award Committee members, thank you so much for sharing in the vision and for the contribution that you have made to make it manifest. May the land of South Africa be a blessing to all of us. Thank you.
Let's promote collaboration among ourselves and our communities and play down on competition. Ladies and gentlemen, collaboration all the way. Just before I do a very important program, I want to call the Ohanese Women League to display their dance for 5 minutes.
Yo, Coco. Yo, Coco. Yo, Coco. Yo, Coco, Coco, Coco. Yo, Coco. Yo, Coco, Coco, Coco. Ohanese nanabo. Yo, Coco. Ugebeze, Coco. Yo, Coco. Memeroda, Coco. Yo, Coco. Ugosimba, Coco. America, Coco. Yo, Coco, Coco, Coco. Yo, Coco, Coco, Coco. Ohanese nanabo. Kalumaka Mami Igbo. Mami Igbo n'onu mekele gị. Mama n'onu mekele gị o Mami Igbo. Nwanyị dị mma. Asị m na ị ga-adị ka Chineke anaghị agwụ agwụ o.
The conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, Zobu, reigning by Master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ebwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ebwe dagarigo. Step aside for the game changer.
Zobu, Zobu,
go. Ihe jamara dike ruenu. Ekwatara rigo. Oshiri jibwa. Mawushine. Ogandoga. Ikene tube dike. We no dey carry last year. I said you want on the love. One manaria. I said you go dike. Big song. Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, ELA, baby, suffer the cool me temper. Ada, baby, na sugar. Yo. Everybody they wait. Utakene no more. If any man mata, better soup na money kill am. Ada mwa peke me ya. I get them for everywhere. I don't know the lack of that. I get them for up and down. Baby, na tomato, baby, too fresh like morning wine. I don't really everybody they wait. Mommy, bye bye. Daddy, bye bye. In 9 months' time, we will come visiting with a boy and girl.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thank you very much. My distinguished pleasure to call to the podium Chief Ambassador Sir Sylvester Oba Okafor, Founding President General, United Nations for Africa. Thank you. I'm absolutely delighted. Take it away. Thank you.
The Bekele Mono Igbo Kwenu Igbo Kwenu Igbo Kwezwenu. With all due respect to all the chiefs in South Africa, all the branches, all the executives of Nsukondibo, I throw away salute. It is not easy to organize this kind of forum. I am here throwing salute to Chief Dr. Ben, the Honorable Ugwumba Excellent. I thank you so much. The President General. There are so many dignitaries here. I cannot thank you enough. The mother, the Igbo woman, mother, we thank you. The President General of Nsukondibo, I am glad to be here today. the Nzenozos, the People's Club of South Africa, and all the members of Nzukondi Igbo. Igwe, I'm still loyal. Thank you, sir. The United Nations 80th Anniversary Day and Igbo Heritage Day celebration, in collaboration with Nzukondi Igbo, South Africa, Pretoria. This day, 25th of October 2025, the theme is Reflection on Onyaga na Nwanne, Indigenous Wisdom for Africa, Solidarity and Global Sustainable Development. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, leaders of the United Nations Community Esteem, members of Nzukondi Igbo here in South Africa, esteemed executives of the United Nations Association of Africa, and the fellow African ladies and gentlemen. Onyaga na Nwanne ya, a timeless call from our ancestors, a reminder that we are only strong when we carry one another. Only human when we see the humanity in others. We cannot get it cheaper than this. It is with deep humility and profound joy that I stand before you today on this historical occasion, making the 80th anniversary of United Nations and the Igbo Heritage Day in South Africa. Under this powerful, timeless theme broadly, it reminds us, let no one be left behind. Ugumba, I throw away salute. You mentioned this 23 times during your speech. I appreciate you. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and we shall be glad in it. Today, we stand at the intersection of global vision and the indigenous value. We celebrate the United Nations, a benchmark of multinational human rights, peace since 1945. At the same time, we honor the Reliance Enterprises and the community ethnics of Igbo people who have carried the flame work of solidarity across borders. Onyaga na Nwanne ya is no more than a proverb. I'm telling you today, when we speak it, we think it's just a proverb. It is not only a proverb. It is a moral compass. It speaks directly to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, SDGs, which affirms that true progress can only occur when no one is left behind. It echoes the United Nations Charter, core value of dignity, equality, and collective responsibility. As an African and a custodian to both ancient wisdom and modern progress, we must recognize this synergy between indigenous philosophies and global development framework, from the Igbo homeland in Nigeria to the street of Pretoria and beyond. Our values, solidarity, family, and innovation remain a force for unity and transformation. As Africans, we have no other way to go than all the 54 states of Africa, countries of Africa. We have to stand. God has blessed us with everything that will make us not to forget any of our relatives, friends, families, or anywhere in this world where any Africa is, African member, you have to look. And remember, this synergy, Onyagana One Year, is one of the best things that will ever happen to us. Our ancestors left it for us, and we have to live with that. It is very, very, very important. In celebrating this dual heritage, the UN's 80th birthday of global impact and the Igbo people's cultural resilience, we, as Africans, also reaffirm our duty, one, to defend human rights and human dignity, to protect indigenous people, cultures, and languages, to fight inequality and discrimination in all forms, to protect our environment and future generations, to empower every African, women, youths, children, child, and immigrants with tools of economic independence, education, and peace. And we defend dignity. We say, Onyagana Nwanneya. When we protect the environment, we say, Onyagana Nwanneya. When we empower women and youths, we say, Onyagana Nwanneya. This proverb is not only heritage, it is an agenda for the future. The United Nations Association of Africa, UNAA, remains committed to this vision. We build bridges between the Africans, grassroots, and the global agenda. From youth innovation to climate justice, from peace building to the diaspora engagement, together with our partners like Nzukọ Ndị Igbo, including every other people that love and cherish the idiom of Onyagana Nwanneya. We are cultivating a continent that speaks in one voice, proud, responsible, and united. Let us not forget, Onyagana Nwanneya also challenges each of us in businesses. Let us uplift others in our community. Let us include the voiceless. In our policies, let us patronize the people, and in all diaspora unity, let us rise beyond tribe, beyond nation, and act as one Africa under one humanity. This week also holds a personal meaning for me. As I mark another year of life, I consider it blessing, not simply to celebrate myself, but to celebrate this value with you. Values of solidarity, resilience, and collective responsibility. By the way, can I get a happy birthday from you? Thank you so much. In conclusion, may this celebration inspire us to do more, to be the neighbor who shows up, the leader who listens, and the citizen who serves. Let the legacy of the United Nations and the heritage of Ndị Igbo shine together, lighting the path toward a just and inclusive of prosperous African futures. Thank you. Long live United Nations Association of Africa. Long live Ndị Igbo. Long live Nzukọ Ndị Igbo in South Africa. And long live the African spirit of solidarity. Thank you, and God bless you. At this point, I would like to call upon Ambassador Princess Gift Juliet to come forward for a formal presentation.
Your Excellencies, distinguished leaders, esteemed guests, fellow members of the United Nations family, beloved Indibo, ladies and gentlemen, it is with humility and deep gratitude that I stand before you today as we celebrate both the 80th anniversary of the United Nations and the heritage of the Igbo people. The moment reminds us of the principle of Ohia Hala Wanyea, let no one be left behind. A principle that is not only cultural, but profoundly human. As a registered nurse and a public health leader, I have spent more than a decade working with individuals, families, communities in some of the most vulnerable moments. In hospitals, in schools, and now through international platforms. I have seen what means when people are left behind. And I have also seen transformations that happen when compassion, access, and solidarity are extended. Healthcare teaches us that no patient in isolation. Healing requires support, cooperation, and a system that works for all values in minor, both our Igbo traditions and kinship. As the United Nations call for inclusive global development, whether at beside the bedside or at the heart of policy making, the message is saying, every life matters, every voice matters. This is why my work in the United Nations is so meaningful. Together we are building bridges between grassroots communities and the global stage, advancing conversations on climate, peace building, healthcare access, and the global youth. As co-director of UNAAC South Africa, I see firsthand how collaboration across cultures and borders bring lasting change. But our progress requires more than speeches. It calls for action. It challenges us in every sphere of life to live our Ohia Hala Wanyea. In business, let us mentor others. In healthcare, let us reach the undeserved. In leadership, let us put people before self. And in our communities, let us rise above decision and act as one Africa, one humanity, one people. As we honor the United Nations 80 years of service and resilience of the Indibo, let us commit ourselves to building Africa where no one is left behind. Not the child seeking education, not the mother in need of care, not the youth striving for opportunity, not even the elderly safeguarding wisdom. May this day's celebration remind us that standing together, we heal, we grow, and we shine brighter. Unity is not just a slogan, but a duty. Let us lift one another, protect one another, and create a continent where every Africa's voice counts. In closing, I would like to thank the Indibo, South Africa, and all partners in their tireless efforts in making today a success. May our unity today echo across Africa and beyond. Happy 80th anniversary to the United Nations and happy Igbo Heritage Day. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
This is the National Assistant Secretary of United Nations and the Country Director of Nigeria.
mkpa mụọ nwoke mụọ nwata mụọ nwanyị mmiri atana azụ anwụna onye biri ibe ya ebiri onye si ibe ya ebila biko ya gosi anyị ebe ọ ga-ebi o daalụ rie nne ndị nwe m na ndị nwe chetanụ na-eji anya ọma ata akị n'isi ụtụtụ akwa na ya ụbọchị taa anyị bịara ka anyị celebrate ya United Nations 80th anniversary ya na mmemme ndị nzukọ ndị Igbo nke bụ onye ayala nwanne ya nke a na-eme n'ụbọchị taa. Igbo mụrụ m eze fogodo otu a ga na-ata atụ akwa na ya n'eziokwu this team onye ayala nwanne ya has captured UN's belief in unity, empathy, and collective responsibility. The thing aligns with what we believe in as SDG Goal 10, reducing inequalities, and SDG Goal 17, partnership. Because achọrọ m ka unu ga-eme ntị maka na since anyị na ebe a sọsọ oyibo ka anyị na-asụ. Anyị chọkwara na igwe unu na ndị United Nations of Association of Africa na-asụkwa Igbo because anyị nọ n'ala Afrịka. Biko nụ ọya ka m ji si ka m were asụsụ Igbo ka m gwa unu okwu. Biko anyị na ndị nzukọ ndị Igbo nwere partnership ọya ka anyị ji bịa ebe a taa ka anyị nwee ike ime igosipụta the need for Africans to rise together to support one another and to ensure no one is left behind in the journey towards peace and integrity and prosperity. UNAA has come today to support and contribute to meaningful community projects. And whoever that is joining us today, what it means is becoming part of a continental network of change makers. The United Nations Association of Africa nwere ọtụtụ uru eji abata na the association. It is not just an organization, it is more than an organization. It is a movement for peace, unity and progress. Ka m gwakwa unu onweghị mgbe keke na tipa ga na-azụ ụzọ express. Onye a na-ekwu nwere ihe ọ na-eme. Isi kara aka onye na-ebu ogidi. Isi na-aka ya ka bụ ogidi onye je ya olu. Together, we embody the spirit of onye ayala nwanne ya. One family, one Africa, one humanity. Join us today as an eminent peace ambassadors and help ensure no brother or sister is left behind. Makana, afọnụ togogodu n'ogologo ruo n'igwe nke anya bụ ụzọ pụta ụwa. Eziokwu ka asị, eziokwu. Onye unu nụrụ olu ya taa bụ Nwaada Ambassador Lois nke eji capacity n'ụwa niile wee mara. Asị m ka unu biko ka unu were anyị ndidi ka unu fụ udu ntụrụmụ ugo anyị chọrọ inye ụfọdụ ndị as an eminent peace ambassador from United Nations Association of Africa. Daalụnụ.
At this point, the United Nations Association of Africa will present certificates and awards to some certain people. We have here Honorable Dr. Prince Abayomi Johnson. He has been duly certified. He is living in this South Africa, and he will be the first recipient.
Honorable Dr. Prince Abayomi Johnson, who is hereby appointed as an eminent peace ambassador. So that is 10 this way. Bolivia, Tochi. Eminent Peace Ambassador. Ibe Chibuzo Japhet. Ibe Chibuzo. Just give it to them. You just give it to them.
Rock Cardinal. So that pass a wag, or just a wag, pass a wag. Yeah, if you go defending your chuku no baka. Ebele chuku ga zaza. Lolo. Don't take no be beni juana. Managa mapasa no bona naga. The manabena wana sigo nusi. Mufodo kacha kwende no neme. Piko chukwata ma onyo mani neme mao. Aga mabune zibonya mama. Lolo. Defending your chuku no baka.
Eminent Peace Ambassador.
Managa mapasa no bona gaga. Emana bena wana sigo nusi. Ufado kacha kwete no neme. Biko chukwa dama onyo mani neme mao. Amanaga mabune zibonya mama.
Making the crumb na yonya mama. Olisepunu wa papa mano ebu mujawa. Ngatokili no tibiri, ngatokili ziniri ayaraya. Oseme mwakete osamwele mwitizora walawa. Tuwe, kufiakwa, opuro my portion kufiakwa. Nge mwachi chineke nana na kwa bibe mune yakwa. Okaka kamu kangonta nakafite kafana kwaka. Motamulu motivation ogu inabafika fana tuaka agage. It's only for makubakage. Ingwelilu wa makubakage. Gala nanjo na mama. Chinekai bwa bwa.
So back at the marathon, I put a big Google. What's in the Bobby the Google? Nobody sabi. He go shock everybody mood. If I take one of rules, so follow your pattern as long as you're making the move. Oh, with the dialogue of their lesson, madam. My two pepper, they can chop a mother chow. And they buy batalon and look when I go. A man they go bullet, come and no nacho. No, with the dialogue of their lesson, madam. Mana chukwe pera de ka chopa mada ko tete nene no kwako kanye na ko ngwa iye ifugo ni beti nye chuku no baka ebele belu chuku ga zaza ote gogo kebi no bibe ni juanya managa mapasa no mona gaga e mana bena wana sigo nusi je mo fodo kacha kwete no nene biko chukwa kama onyo mani neme mao Aga mabune zibonya mama. Ase mfuko ni fete nyelo chuku no baka. Ebele na chuku ga zaza. Ote gogo kebi no lubibeni tuanya. Managa mapasa no bona kaka. Emana bena wana sigo nusi je. Ufado kacha kwete no nene. Biko chukwa dama onyo mani nene mao. Ama mnaga mabune zibonya mama.
Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, are you here? Shekina, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Shekina, say something.
Ambassador, Princess Gifty Juliet Okafor.
I told you, oh, you know what's about to go down right now. Oh, yeah, let me tell you, ladies, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, yeah, hear from ladies right now. Ladies and gentlemen, problem! Trouble!
Thank you, and thank you, and thank you, Pretoria, South Africa. May God continue to bless us.
Handing her over the microphone to anchor this process with Mazi Chimezie Onyejuwa. I'm sorry to have taken you on our way, but this is how it happens. Thank you kindly.
Please, because of time, let me stand on the existing protocols. Distinguished guests, Igbo, Ndoma, Ndejmono, good evening to you all. It gives me a very great joy and pride to stand before you this evening on behalf of Ugumba Excellence Award Committee. This is not just an award ceremony. It is a celebration of excellence, hard work, and the enduring spirit of Igbo greatness that continues to shine wherever our people find themselves. First and foremost, let me extend my heartfelt appreciation to Dr. Ben Okoli, the visionary behind the noble initiative, the Ugumba Excellence Award. Dalu Rinesa, Dalu, again, Yiridia, I Nekanunu. The Ugumba Excellence Award is a very brilliant idea that recognizes and rewards hard work and academic excellence among our sons and daughters. Even more commendable is the fact that you, Ugumba, have chosen Ndukondibo to be the platform of which this year Ugumba Award should be launched. We thank you again, sir. This initiative is a reminder that when we celebrate excellence, we inspire excellence. Over the years, the award has grown in strength and reputation. The criteria introduced in the last 2 years has made it even more special and personal. That is, for a child to qualify, either the father or the mother must be a registered member of Nsokondibo. This has deepened our bond and made the selection process much more meaningful as we are truly celebrating our own. Let me assure you, the competition this year was very fierce. The standard was very high. Our young scholars are doing exceptionally well. But at the time of a great, thorough, and transparent process, the committee agreed to reward the most deserving student whose record of excellence, dedication, and perseverance stood tall above the rest. It is therefore my honor and privilege to announce the winner of the Ugumba Academic Excellence Award 2025 with a prize of 20,000 rands. Let us welcome to the podium. Let us welcome to the podium
Mr. Andile Pio Nkuzwayo.
Hand of applause, please. Hand of applause, please. And
and Mrs. at the same time, please. Because let us applaud Andile as we await the sponsor of Ugumba Excellence Award, Ugumba himself, Dr. and Mrs. Ben Okole. Where is Andile? Andile, your achievements. Andile, your achievement today is not just yours alone. It is a reflection of your family support, your teacher's guidance, and the unrelenting pursuit of knowledge, excellence, and greatness. To others who competed, I want to say this: don't give up. Today is Andile. Tomorrow it should be you. Continue to strive for excellence, for education remains the greatest weapon. Our proudest heritage, onye ro orie, onye kwe chie kwe. Before I conclude, I want to use the opportunity to call upon our illustrious sons and daughters, successful men and women of Igbo extraction, to continue to key into this great vision. There are many categories you can sponsor, like the best mathematics, the best science, and even an undergraduate. Once again, congratulations, Andy. Congratulations to you. Our Ugumba Award Excellence winner 2025. Congratulations. May your light continue to shine brighter, and may others follow your path. And God bless you.
President Emeritus Ekuchana. Udogu.
I'm standing on the exiting protocol. I just want to thank Ugumba himself. I was the first recipient of this award. And today, I'm proud to announce to you that I didn't just complete my master's, but I'm also a PhD candidate.
Hand of applause for her, please. Hand of applause for her.
I will be doing my PhD.
Hand of
All
applause.
thanks to Ugumba Award. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Roja over. I don't even tell you double like she do me karajika. Make I no feel liver. Me way be John Cena. I say I swear you mine. Baby,
24th years anniversary. Now what cake? So I need the kind of support offer. Ono mananzero zare ije Ifele. Despite the fact na yere je go ebe na je agba ego. Monama na ye support to our allies. Because now I'm ups and downs na manage organization. So ka ali ku no na Mwa as chairman of the occasion, Bully and also as now I work here with the sum of 5,000 rands. Our 5,000 were one cake. Bikono.
Igbo Union South Africa, 2,000. Kanja walun cake.
Mwa president ndo haneze byakwara. Kanwe zina yes, Igbo niile. Nobo na agalaba. Ma wonya na po umbrella haneze ka anyị niile no. So netufu oge amam na mbịara mgbe ọtụtụ ihe na-emego. Ihe anyị ga-eji warunu cake 1,000 rands. Thank you.
In support, we'll be giving 1,000 rand.
We guzo n'aha ndị NECASA, Nigerian Citizens Association South Africa, with the leadership of the executive I get you 1,000 rands support to her or Warlandin Zukondi Bokeki. Kai Haine Menaga Udo Dilena Wana.
Igbo Queen, I greet everybody. I'm a 1,000 hour cake. What am I?
Akaja Makonine, Chairman Makujara Assembly, and Chairman Enugu State Union, Pretoria, and the ESCO Kondibu. Anama Wakeke now funded Enugu State with 2,000 rands. Now, for Akaja of Mako with 1,000 rands.
Ana kodokwa kaeva.
I